All right, quick upload. Put these new wires in. Drove my car to work yesterday and today. But today when I was driving, when I got to my job, I noticed the engine kind of running rough. It was like shaking bad. You can feel it. Only when you at a still though, like when you're cruising, everything's fine. But it's like stop and go traffic or sitting still, like you feel it. So I pulled over to the gas station and this wire here is burnt. I'm pretty sure this is my problem that's causing the issue because everything was fine yesterday. Apparently, see how that wire sitting there? It was on the head. So I thought I had this up tucked tight to clear that, but it was like that, just relaxed. And I'm sure over the 2 days of me driving it, it just burnt it. So now, good thing I didn't throw my old ones in the fucking trash. So I gotta see what's wire match this cylinder so I can replace it. And hopefully that solves the issue. I'm gonna start the car, see if y'all can see a video what it's talking about. Cut my Bluetooth off. I'm sure y'all can't see this, but I can feel a vibration in my steering wheel. There it is. Like a motor shaking. Pretty sure this spark plug wire here. Change this wire off. This ball, stop the problem. It's just weird. And it still drives good like that. The engine just shaking bad. Like something is wrong. And it feels like it's missing. So I'm gonna change that and cut y'all back on. This is the damage. Of course, I dropped this thing. Can't find it. It's not under the car. So it was in one of these holes somewhere, I guess. I also lost the screw to the bitch. But I have another thing like this, so I have to put that back on. I knew I was gonna drop this small ass fucking screw. Let me add the new one on here and see if that fixes my fucking problem. Got the new one back on. Well, actually old one, but it's the new one. So I'm finna start the car. I ain't put the heat shield back on yet. Let's just see if this fixes my problem I was having. Had to take all these things off. So it looks like a mess right now. What I'm gonna do, if this does work, which I'm pretty sure it will, I'm gonna put 2 of these on here. That way it have more of the heat thing to get it off the header right here. Let's try this out. Still the same, y'all. Well, not really. It feels the same. Man, I don't know what the fuck going on. What the hell? Fuck. Turn it back on and I'll figure something out. Went to the parts store. Bought one of these cheap inline filters. I'm gonna take this glass one out and see if that fixed my problem. Okay, got the new one on. I'm gonna start the engine, see if it leaks. Get all this shit out the way. Let my top off. Found the culprit. This wide hill was drowning out, making a mist like that. Everything back there. Pops found the culprit, y'all. What, mama? Back good. Get home. Change this wire right here. These fucking heat things burn through, so that ain't good as I say. When I get home, I got another one of these. What, mama? What? You see the birds? Yeah, I got another one of these. I'm gonna put that on with the new wire that I got and try it like that. Alright, YouTube. We back in action. No more vibrations, no more little hesitations. Everything smooth. Back to how it was, baby. I even retimed the motor, redid my vacuum tuning. But the whole time, it was that goddamn spark plug wire grounding out on the header. And I got heat shield boots on the motherfucker, and the shit still got through that. So once I get home, I'ma redo them things. I also need to buy a new brake booster, cause every now and then my brakes be hard to press. So stay tuned. Wake up and hope it's cold when the rain. Damn. Babe over here doing fed time. She locked up. Man, this is pitiful. God. It's insane, man. Here it is, y'all. Pull the boot back. That's the damage. That bitch over with. I'm finna take this one off. Put a new boot. Zip tie my shit up. We'll be ready to roll again. Alright, YouTube. Got the new wire on. New old wire. New boot on. Zip tied to here. Zip tied to here. To here. To hold this one from touching. And I got these zip tied together here. That one good. Everything back how it was. Crank. Damn keys out of my pocket. Here's my damn key. Shit. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. Man, my baby filthy. Back normal. Alright, that's it. I'm out. Thanks for watching.